Welcome to the Tired AF Yoga series. If you are feeling, tired AF, I totally get it. You're not alone and you're in the right place. All month long, I am sharing daily 10 to 15 minute simple yoga practices to help you release tension, reset your nervous system, and remember what it means to actually relax. So silence your notifications, put a calming oil into your diffuser, and let's help your nervous system remember what it's like to relax. In this video, we're going to work on upper back tension. I have been a yoga teacher for over 30 years. I have had thousands of students. I have yet to have anybody who doesn't experience some level of upper back tension, and that just prevents us from relaxing. So we're going to work on that today, and I'll be sharing one of my very, very favorite tools. You will want to have a blanket for today's practice. So if you're ready, let's get going. We're going to start sitting in Sukhasana, or simple cross-legged. Have a seat up on your blanket to get your hips up a little higher. That just makes it easier on your back. You're going to get right up on top of your sit bones. Find where you are aligned. So if you tip the pelvis forward a little, your lower back will arc a little bit more. And if you tip back, your lower back will round. You want to find that middle point where the lower back feels neutral. Take a breath. Let your back relax. And then do some big shoulder rolls. You're going to bring those shoulders all the way around, moving from the shoulder blades and arching and rounding through your spine at the same time. Let's just loosen up that whole back area and getting into the upper back. And then change direction. Squeeze those shoulder blades together when the arms come back. Breathe. One more. Finish with the arms behind you. Lift your heart up. Feel that squeeze. And then you're going to release. Bring your arms up and overhead. Lift your heart. Arc up. Feel that action in the upper back. And then move into cactus. And you're still arcing up, but pulling those elbows down and back. And then release. Scoop your right arm underneath the left. Wrap the arms. You're going to lift the elbows up. Chin to the chest. Round into your upper back. Drop your breath into your belly. And then release. Bring the arms out and up. Twist to your right. Now put your hands in place. Back hand is up on top of your fingertips. And I want you to draw your belly in just a little as you get really long. Create lots of space between your vertebrae. And then just gently release into the twist. Feel your breath in your belly still. Just relax into it. And now holding on to the knee, you're going to square your shoulders, bring your right arm up, reach from the waist, take it over, and you use this bottom hand to help yourself twist, and you can open and close and just find wherever it is the best for you, right? When it gets into that place that's really tight. Come back up, back into your twist. And then just come right back to the center. Take a breath. Change the cross of your legs. Getting up on top of your sit bones again. Finding that spot where your pelvis is level. So you have your lower back in its neutral curve. It's not overarched. It's not rounded. That allows the spine to relax a little bit better. Now we're going to bring the arms forward and you're going to round your spine, really pull your belly in and then come back. Press the shoulder blades together as you arc up. And then again, come forward and round and take it back. And let's do one more. Come forward and round. And then take it back and arc up. And then release. Get right up on top of the sit bones again. Bring the arms up and overhead. Lift your heart. Arc up, getting into that upper back, moving into cactus, squeeze the shoulder blades together, and then scoop your left arm underneath the right, wrap, and if you can't get this far, you can be here, however close you can get to it is just fine. You're going to lift the elbows up, take your chin to the chest and round into the upper back. And then release. Bring the arms out and up and overhead and twist to your left. And you're going to draw the belly in, lift tall, gently release. Feel your breath. Let yourself soften. And then hold on to your knee as you square your shoulders. Left arm comes up. You're going to reach and give yourself a side bend. And again, use that bottom arm to help yourself open, close, and just find that spot that really gets into that tension in your upper back. Come back up, back into your twist. And then release and come back to the center. And just take a breath and feel the back. Feels good, doesn't it? All right, now we're going to do back bend over roll. This is one of my very favorite poses. And it helps so much release that tension in the upper back, and it also stretches your diaphragm, which is your primary breathing muscle. So this is wonderful on many levels. You're going to take your blanket, or if you were using a cushion to sit up on, you can also use your mat to roll up. And you're going to roll it to maybe the size of a large grapefruit. If you have a lot of tension in your upper back, make it smaller, okay? And you're going to come down onto the roll so it hits right at the base of your shoulder blades. And then you're going to hold your head and come down. And your shoulders should be very comfortably on the floor. Your neck should feel nice and long. If the roll is too high up, then your neck will feel crowded. Your shoulders will be up by your ears. So you can just scooch down on it if that happens. And if it's really intense to start, just make the roll smaller. It is often really tense initially. And if after a couple of breaths it's still intense, then definitely come down. But if the first few breaths allows you to soften and relax, then just stay at this height. You're just going to let yourself relax. Feel your back melt over the roll. You can keep your knees bent, or if you're comfortable straightening them, you can straighten them. Feel yourself soften. Feeling your breath in your belly. Relax. Just a few more breaths. Now, to come out, bend your knees if they aren't already. Roll to one side. Use your bottom hand to support your head, and you're going to pull the roll out from underneath you. Come back down on your back, knees bent, and just take a few breaths. You'll feel your breath feels freer, and that's because it stretched your diaphragm too. Let that upper back relax even more. Just feel it melt into the floor. And then you're going to take your hips over to the right just a bit. Bring your knees up. Take your arms out to the side. And take your knees down to the left. Keep those shoulders down. Let yourself relax. Feel your breath in your belly. Come back up. Take your toes down. Bring your hips through the middle and over to the left. Knees come up and take them down to the right. Relax. And then come back up. All right, bring your hips back into the middle. I want you to hug your knees. Relax your back. And then we're going to do a quick shavasana. Separate your feet a little bit. Drop your knees in so they touch. And just let your body relax and release. Feel your breath in your belly. Just taking a moment longer to relax. And then bring your awareness back. Roll over to one side and just rest on your side for a moment. Feel the relaxation follow you. And then when you're ready, push up with your top hand. Come on up to sitting. And just take a moment to see how your body feels now. Feel the difference. Appreciate the difference as a result of your effort. Thanks for joining me. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss any of the Tired AF series. And if you want to get on my mailing list, you are going to get some extra tips for helping yourself relax. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you tomorrow.